Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix error establishing a database connection when the username and password information in your wp-config.php file is incorrect. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to log into your cPanel, go to your hosting account, whether it is shared hosting or VPS hosting. Then you need to log into your cPanel. So I already opened my cPanel. Now go to the file manager. First of all, go to the file manager, then go to the public HTML folder. Now first of all, you should know the database name of your website which is giving the error. So I have a website here which is giving the error, that is trackmyandroidphone.com on the WP admin page. So now we need to find the website. So I have so many websites. So if you have already you have one or two websites, you can easily find one. So as I can see, the website is right here. Now you need to go to the wp config file, wp-config.php, right click on it, click on edit, click on edit. Now you can see the database name here, that is define db name IBP SEN 93861. So right now I am getting an error here and we need to fix this thing. So it is, what's the main error is that the username and password information in your wp config file is incorrect. So we need to correct it. So again, go back to your cPanel. Then you need to go to the databases section. As you can see, I am into the databases section. Now click on the MySQL database. So it will open the page something like this. It may be a little different for you, but it will be almost like this in every cPanel theme. Now we need to check here what was the name, 861. Okay, for 861. Now we need to change the password for the username 861. Now scroll down. So in few cPanels you can directly see something change password right here under the beside the actions. So I have at the bottom where I can change the password for the username. So I would need to change password for the 861. Now click on change password. So now you need to change the password here. Now I'm going to use the password generator. Generate password. Now click on, I have copied this password in a safe place. Now click on use password. Now click on change password. Okay, now you have resetted the database password. Now you need to paste this password in the wp config file right here. So here is the password, that is define db password s2 bpp0 and all that. Now you need to change the value here. So you need to simply copy and paste it. So I have already copied it. I'm going to use the legacy editor. So this editor, I don't know what happens. It's not working properly. So I'm using the legacy editor from here. Now I will simply paste the new password. Then click on save changes. Okay, now it is showing success here. So now hopefully the error is removed. Now click on simply reload this page. Now as you can see, we have fixed this error right here. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.